Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this device. Start by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down, choose Sound and Vibration over here, and click on the switcher next to Vibrate On ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also tap on the switcher next to Vibrate On Silent to switch on or off vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down and click on More Sounds and Haptics. Then click on the switcher next to Vibrate On Touch to switch on or off touch vibrations. Now tap on the back button and click on the switcher next to Reduce Notification Feedback or Full Screen to enable or disable this feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!